the spectrum of use ranges from applications for young people, so schools, nurseries, areas typically to display galleries of children's work, medium school areas where it's used to help teach, ABCs, 1, 2, 3s, magnets, everything that can be moved around. Because children can touch something and have a tactile relationship to moving things, they have a deeper understanding of them. Students, student accommodation is a really popular area now for Magliner because it enables any kind of collaboration area to be like a water cooler, gathering point to using magnets. So that'll just be notice boards, bulletin boards, events, things that are happening. And universities buy our materials because they use them in classroom areas, and classroom areas can be kept cleaner by having magnets as the mechanism by which information is displayed, coupled with other technologies, coupled with projectors, coupled with chalk and writing medium, dry erase pens. These all can overlay to work together. So teaching is becoming, obviously a very large area, but teaching actually spills into offices, it spills into homes, it spills into care centres for the very elderly. And for the very elderly, there's a lot of safety involved in having something that won't harm you if it's touched or moved. We were told by consultants that magnets could help doctors assess children in so many different ways. So we don't have to become the experts that are out there already. We simply have to become the enablers that can advise as to the right kind of materials to work with the right kind of magnets. And by the magnets, it could be the right type of magnet, the right size of magnet, the right tactile finish on the magnet, all of these things. And this we love. This is what we enjoy doing. We love connecting with creative minds once they've identified the way in which a magnet's going to work on a wall in a particular environment to help a person. That's it.